Alright, you guys, I gave in. I kept seeing these two items on the TikTok shop coming up on my feed, so I went on ahead and bought them. The first one right here, we got the portable air compressor. It is air compressor. It is wireless. It's made by Suitu. And like I say, this thing, you know, you just take it with you, keep it in your car. It's digital, so you don't never have to look for an air, you know, compressor at a gas station or anything. And just put in your number that you need, digital, and it goes right to that. Next thing is we got the solar power bank right here. This baby charges up by solar, you know, and it's portable. It has a flashlight on it, and it has USB ports on it. This one also has a USB port. So let's open both of these up real quick. So right here we got the air compressor. Let's take this baby out. There it is right there, nice and shiny. As you can see, you got the regular USB port there. You got type C, and oh yeah, it has a flashlight on it too. Right here, here's the adapter that you will use for your tire. That basically screws on right here. Once you screw that on, and then you just clip that right onto your tire pressure. I'm gonna show you how this turn it on in a few minutes. Inside there you got your USB type C charging adapter, of course the instruction book, and then they also give you other things where you can want to do a basketball, a football, a bicycle. You got other adapters in here. Basically, here's the power button right here. Turn this baby on. You got different indicators, KPS. What I found out is that 25 kps is equal to 32 psi. So you just do that. You can go up and down with the different levels there. So I do 20. I keep it on 25 kps. That's for a vehicle. See, you can go between vehicle. You can go to a scooter, a bike, or a scooter, then a bike, and then basketball, football right there. So that's how you do that. And then you just turn it off. Next up, we got the solar panel. Once you get this out, you notice that the whole side, this is solar. Put that in the sun and it charges it up. The indicators here let you know how much it's charged. So you got one green light. When you get 5 green lights, it's totally charged. On the back, it does have a compass. So depending on what direction you got, you can always, you know, if you take it camping with you, you got a compass. Right on the side, there's your flashlights right there. And right underneath this panel, there you go. You got 2 USB charging, and you got a type C right there underneath the bottom. So that's how you do that, and it's good. And you got the flashlight there. So you just take this with you, nice and portable, and keep everything charged up while you're out on the go. So I got these two things from the TikTok shop. Make sure you guys go to TikTok, check them out. You know, no link or anything. I just bought them, and it's good to go.